plus B, E, B, G plus B's, GB's, heebie-jeebies. If you can do that, you could win a brand new car as we play Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Alex Trebek.
Thank you, Gene. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome once again to Classic Concentration. Oh, a lively crowd here today in our studio audience. Nice having you people join us today. I'd like you now to greet our two returning champions because they both played extremely well. Pretty young lady on my right picked up over $15,000, just a shade under $16,000 in prizes, including a great holiday in Paris. This is V.U. Spangler. Hi, V.U. Welcome back to the show. Thanks. Your opponent, once again, is a gentleman on my left. He has won close to $10,000. He is a teacher, and his name is Tim Warnegay. Welcome back, Tim.
Hi, Alex.
And Tim is going to be visiting Singapore.
That's right.
That's one of the trips that he won. And I should caution you, as we get set for the first game today, that one of you will not be around at the end of this half hour because each of you has lost a game. That's what these X's indicate. But we're going to start you off with some good prizes in game number one. Take a look over here. Marjorie will show you, and Gene will tell us about this.
Take a second honeymoon or make it your first. Either way, you're bound to have fun on the spectacular Isle of St. Martin. We'll fly you in a companion from Los Angeles aboard Delta Airlines to San Juan. You may visit the exclusive Crown Room Lounge before boarding a while in-flight experience warm and friendly hospitality furnished by Delta Airlines. And you'll spend 6 nights at St. Martin's La Belle Creole, a beachfront resort with the intriguing charm of the French Mediterranean, distinctive island cuisine and secluded beaches, furnished by Conrad Hotels La Belle Creole. Alex.
Thank you, Gene. One of the great things about visiting the island of St. Martin is that you have the two cultures. You've got the French culture on one half of the island and the Dutch culture on the other. We'll show you on the board right now, though, where you can find half of that holiday, the Isle of St. Martin, at number 11. Are we all set? All right, Tim, you get to select first. Go for it.
Okay, Alex. I'd like to find a match to that trip under number 9.
Silver gift certificate.
Okay, that'd be great. How about right next to it, number 10?
Diamond pin. No match for you. Let's go to View.
All right, let's look for the other trip. 25.
25. Will it be there? No, that's a portable pub.
Well, I could use that.
You could?
My girlfriend could.
She's the drunk, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's see, under number 2, please.
Number 2 is a VCR, so we have no match yet. Tim?
Okay, how about number 16, Alex?
That's a silver gift certificate.
And number 9, I believe, was the match.
Number 9 is the match, and the first match goes up on Tim's side of the board, and he gets a look at the puzzle. Let's see what it reveals. Ooh.
Not yet.
Select again.
Number 13.
35-millimeter camera outfit.
All right, how about number 7?
Lucky 7 for a portable pub. We have seen that before, haven't we, View?
Yeah, we have. Do I remember seeing that under number... What did I see that under? Number 25?
Yeah.
And number 13. Oh, my God. What am I doing, Alex?
Well, what you did there, View, was go for the wrong number.
I did.
Maybe Tim will make up for your error by selecting the right combination. We'll see.
Okay, was that number 7?
Correct.
And number 25.
25, the portable pub. View wouldn't have had much use for that because, as she indicated, that would be good for her girlfriend, not for her. Let's open these two panels for Tim. Select again.
Too soon still. How about number 15?
There's a wild card.
Okay.
What's he going to put that with, View?
I think I'll take the tip number 11.
Number 11 for the Isle of St. Martin. The other Isle of St. Martin is on the top line at position number 3. We now have 3 good prizes on your side, Tim. And remember, if you win this game, you get to play for the car again, and you get to continue on our show. Let's take a look. Pick again.
Okay, how about number 23?
VCR.
Was that number 2?
Ah, yes. Well done, Tim.
Okay, we could use it in VCR.
Your powers of concentration are doing well. Let's see what happens now. Pick again.
Okay, how about number 5? Red
Red
take.
take.
How about a match for that under number 18?
Patio furniture, no match. VU, come on,
right.
get back into this now.
Okay. Let's take a look under number 24, please.
It's a good number. It's a dishwasher.
Dishwasher. And I don't think we've seen what's under number 21.
Dishwasher.
Yeah.
There's your match. Your board was looking a little barren there.
Yeah, it was.
Open it up. 2 more panels on that bottom line. Select again.
Okay, let's take a look under number 1, please. Green take. And let's see maybe number 19.
Camping package, no match. Tim?
Okay, let's go to number 12.
Green take.
And the match under number 1.
Another green take for you. You want to use it right now?
I think I'm going to wait.
Yeah?
Yeah, I
Well, you
think I'm
had
gonna
that
wait.
eager, hungry look about you.
I'd like to have that dishwasher. I think I'll wait.
All righty. 2 panels, open up. Go again. You're in good
How
shape,
about,
Tim.
number 6?
Camping package.
Was it 19?
Yep.
VU goes, she's not happy about these matches you're making, Tim. You want to use the take now and grab that dishwasher?
No, I'm going to hang on to the
All righty.
take.
Swing these 2 panels open for Tim. Go again.
Top right-hand corner, number 4.
Number 4 is the second wild card
Okay.
which you have found in this game.
All right, I'm going to go down to number 22.
Another wild card. All through with wild cards. That gives you $500 in cash, as you know, and it gives you an opportunity to select again, which means that you're going to get a look at least 4 pieces of this puzzle.
Let's see, crucial piece number 10.
10. All right. Diamond pin. We saw the other diamond pin a little while ago, didn't we? Down below at number 17. 4 panels are going to open up, Tim. Do you want to use the take now? 4 panels might be enough to help you to solve that puzzle. You don't want to waste your take.
I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait.
All right. Obviously, he does not feel confident enough, even with these doors opening up. Let's see. Go again. Just 3 more matches up there. The red take is still in play.
Number 14, please.
There it is.
And the match under number 5.
There it is. And I will assume that since there is nothing to lose, you might want to use it now.
I'll take the dishwasher.
All righty, dishwasher. Put it over there on Tim's side. It joins all those other prizes. And right now, Tim has a chance to win almost everything on the board by solving this puzzle. It would appear that those 4 pieces are covering some very important clues. Where do you want to go now, Tim?
Number 8, Alex.
Starting at the top, patio furniture.
Oh, boy.
Right.
Number 13.
13 is the wrong selection. You have just allowed VU to get right back into the thick of this. VU?
Number 18, please.
That's the patio furniture.
And number 8, please.
That's patio furniture. A prize going up on your side, VU. We'll open these 2 doors. 13 and 20 will, of course, match also. That's the 35mm camera outfit. Now, when we open these doors, VU, we want you to solve the puzzle if you can. Tim, can you do it?
Not yet. Nope.
All right, hands on your signaling buttons. I'm going to help you. We've got the I plus a man, I, men. Then the arrow pointing at the hole. Tim?
I'm an old hand at that.
Is it I'm an old hand at that? Yes, it is. Man who did all the work, who came up with all the matches, wins the game and the match. Congratulations, Tim.
Thank you.
Oh, dear, you had your shot right at the end there. Sorry it didn't work for you. Come on, Tim. Now that you've come up with the correct solution, explain it.
Okay, finally, we've got I man, the whole plus the D, an old hand at that, the TH plus the hat. I'm an old hand at that.
And Tim is kind of an old hand at winning on classic concentration also. View, that's a second strike against you. It means you lost 2 games, and we have to say goodbye. But I know you're going to enjoy your trip to Paris. I know you're going to enjoy your trip to Virginia. You've got a lot of other prizes, almost $16,000 for you. So congratulations. It was a delight having you with us on the show.
Thank you.
So long, View.
Good luck.
All right, Tim, you and I are going to be standing here for quite a while because you won almost everything on the board. Tell them, Gene.
A portable pub, a diamond pin, a service merchandise gift certificate with which you may select a diamond pin or other top name brands from our catalog or redeem at any one of our many stores, furnished by Service Merchandise, and a camping package. Academy Broadway products designed for carefree outdoor fun includes dome tent, nylon sleeping bags, double wide air mattress, and travel packs furnished by Academy Broadway, and a silver gift certificate. Oneida Silversmith's gift certificate for an assortment of gifts for your entertaining and enjoyment, including luxurious flatware and silver-plated hollowware furnished by Oneida Silversmith, and a VCR. Panasonic Synchro Edit 4-head VCR has on-screen display programming, wireless remote control, and the Synchro Edit control for easy editing, furnished by Panasonic, and a dishwasher, Gibson's portable dishwasher, featuring 3 levels of washing action, radiant heat drying, and a self-cleaning soil separator, furnished by Gibson, and $500 in cash, and of course the beautiful Isle of St. Martin. And all of these prizes are worth $6,636.
When you win big. This is going to be your second time in the winner's circle playing for a brand new car, and that means you'll have 40 seconds on the clock when we return after these messages. Well, you've got the Atlantic and the Pacific covered. A holiday in St. Martin, a holiday in Singapore, and now a chance to win a brand new car, Tim. Here are the 15 numbered squares for you. You were up here before and it didn't work out, so we've added 5 seconds to the base time on the clock, so you're now going to be dealing with 40 seconds. Good luck. Off you go.
1, 2.
Nope.
3, 4.
No match.
5, 6.
Nope.
7, 3.
Yes.
8, 9.
Nope.
10, 6.
Right.
11, 5.
No.
8, 12.
No.
5, 12.
Right.
13, 2.
Yes.
14, 1.
No.
15, 1.
Right.
4, 9.
No.
14, 4.
Yes.
8, 9.
It's amazing when we run out of time how quickly we can say things. You were, if you had 2 more seconds, I believe you would have won a brand new car, but that's okay. Meanwhile, you have won close to 16,000. You've got 15,718, and you've only got the 1 strike against you, so you're going to play on. We'll introduce a new opponent for you right after this commercial. When the Bible talks of faith, hope, and charity, it says that charity is the greatest of these 3, but not on classic concentration. The greatest is faith, and here she is, our challenger, Faith Scorza. Hiya, Faith. Welcome aboard.
Thank you.
You ready to play?
I'm ready to play.
You are joining us on such a good day because we've added a new wrinkle to our program, and it's one of the elements that can be matched on the board in this game, and it's 5 bonus car seconds. And what that means is that if you come up with that match, put it up in your prize column, and then win the game, we'll add 5 seconds to your time if and when you get to the winner's circle.
When I get there.
When you get there.
When I get there.
Ladies, got a positive attitude. Let's show her and Tim one of the prizes in this game.
This custom-made espresso machine imported from Italy is made of top-quality brass and copper, designed to ensure constant temperature for the best-tasting espresso. Alex.
And on the board, you'll find that right here behind number 5, the cappuccino machine. The cash pot in this game has $600 in it, and we have a holiday in Las Vegas. And Faith, you are the newcomer, so you go first.
Okay, great. Let's see what's in the center of the board behind number 13.
13's a good place to start. That's the 5 bonus car seconds.
Hey. Let's have wild card number 24.
Number 24, no, a red take. And Tim, if you had had those 5 bonus car seconds in that last bonus round, you would have won a brand new car.
I think so.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to get him this time. Number 10.
Las Vegas getaway.
Las Vegas, that'd be great. Number 20.
Color TV,
Oh,
no match.
nice
Faith.
too.
Okay, I want to find those 5 seconds. Let's see what's under number 6.
Red take.
And the match for that under number 24?
24, she says, and she is right. Told you, faith is where it's at. Having it, using it. Open it up.
Nothing.
All right, go again.
Let's see what's under number 2, please.
Cappuccino machine.
And I believe the match for that was under number 5.
5. Yes. Another match for the lady, the challenger. Off and running in this game. 2 more doors. Open them up. Now, Faith, making a match on the 5 bonus seconds for the car round is very important, but it's also good to pick up a lot of prizes in this round.
Okay.
So don't get so single-minded that you just keep looking for those 5 bonus seconds.
Okay.
Enjoy some of what we have on the board.
Okay, let's see what's under number 16.
5 bonus car seconds. On the other hand, if it comes up, grab it.
It's fate. Okay, number 13 for
13.
the match.
Yes, 5 bonus car seconds. Open it up. Go again.
Let's see what's under number 9, please.
Chandelier.
Oh, that would go good in my dining room. Let's see what's under number 11 for the match.
Cash pot. That would go good in your dining room also. Tim.
Yes.
Okay, how about number 1?
Pearl necklace.
Number 14, please, for the match.
Wild card, so it's going to be a match for you. The other pearl necklace. Bottom corner, number 25. 3 panels opening up for Tim. Is it enough? Pick again.
Okay, how about number 3?
Wild card again. You're good at finding them, Tim.
Send me one.
Let's see, I'm going to open that board under number 17.
Green take.
Okay.
The other green take. Number 21. Do you want to use it? She has the cappuccino machine and the 5 bonus car seconds.
I'll take the seconds. I'll take the 5 bonus.
5
She's got
bonus
the other
seconds.
And I will
tapes,
take them back.
That's
Thank
all
you.
right. Let's see what happens as we open these 3 doors. Pick again. Whoa, there's the bell. You won't get a chance for another selection. We are going to start revealing. You know the drill. You're free to ring in after we have revealed the first box, and we're starting with number 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 15, 18, 19, 20, 22, 23. Faith.
Chauffeur driver.
Is it chauffeur driver? No, it is not. Tim, here's your chance. Solve this puzzle. You can't do it. All right, hands on your signaling buttons. I'm going to assist you. Remember, you can ring in after the green light goes on. S plus 2 plus the arrows pointing at a dent in the car. Tim is first this time.
Student driver.
Is it student driver? Yes, it is. All righty. Come on, Tim. Let's go to the board. Break it down.
Okay, we've got the S plus the 2 plus the dent. Student. The DR plus the I plus the third driver. Student driver.
All right, nice win for you. Faith, I had a feeling that you were just overcome by nerves there because you were on the right track. You just got a little confused and said chauffeur instead.
Yeah.
That's just 1 X against you. We'll see you in our next game on our next show. But right
Good
now,
luck,
we'll
Tim.
say
Win the
goodbye.
car.
Thank you.
Okay, let's hear about the prizes you have added to your impressive winnings. Gene.
A pearl necklace, a matinee length cultured pearl necklace, 6 to 6.5 millimeter, beautifully adorned with a 14-karat gold clasp from the fine jewelry collection of the Michael C. Fina Company, and the 5 bonus car seconds.
And we will give those to Tim and let him play for a brand new car right after these important messages. Feeling, Tim, we're going to be saying goodbye to you at the end of this program. Here are the 15 numbered squares for you. You were up here earlier, you had 40 seconds, and that means the clock has 5 seconds added to it, so you now have 45 seconds. But in that last game, you picked up those 5 bonus seconds, so we add that, and you're going to be working with a full 50. So go ahead. Make me a profit. Win a car. Good luck.
Okay. 1, 2,
Nope.
3, 4,
Nope.
5, 6,
Nope.
3, 6,
Right.
7, 5,
Right.
8, 9,
Nope.
1, 9,
Looking good.
10, 11,
No.
12, 8,
No.
13, 14,
No.
8, 14,
Correct.
15, 12,
No.
11, 10,
No.
15, 10,
You are right.
13, 12,
No.
11, 4,
No.
12, 4,
Yes.
2, 13.
Where did the time go?
The charade messes me up every time.
The charade messes you up every time?
Every time.
Hey, look at it this way. You'll have another 50 seconds next time we play this round if you get here. But meanwhile, $16,500 for you. And great time for us after we hear Gene tell us about another prize.
Some of today's participants may receive Vitamix, stainless steel 3-minute bread maker and home yogurt factory that juices without waste, cooks without burning, freezes instant ice cream, and offers 800 other recipes. We'll be back to Classic Concentration in just a moment.
Tomorrow. So long, everyone.
Bye.
This is Gene Wood speaking for Classic Concentration, a Mark Goodson television production.